And we have got all eyes on the tropics the next couple of days. The satellite image here, this picture from NOAA, shows the two systems as they are taking shape. The one closer to the U.S. could bring some impacts to us here in the Triangle. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Haggerty.
And I'm Lena Tillett here with meteorologist Kat Campbell in the Severe Weather Center. Kat, so many people interested in these systems. They really seem like they are going to have some impacts here in the Triangle. Talk about what impacts we could see.
The main threat right now looks like it would be flooding. We'll probably see some gusty winds Monday and Tuesday as well. Exactly how strong the wind gusts are, though, we're not quite ready to put a number on that. Just know Monday and Tuesday we could be seeing some more direct tropical impacts, and we're likely to be kind of on the messy side of the storm to the right of the center, and that's where you see the heavy rain, sometimes an isolated tornado.
Okay, so some of the tracks do show it turning pretty far inland as well. Obviously, we're marking 1 year since Helene devastated the mountains, so people there have some anxiety. Are they expecting heavy rainfall totals?
You've got to remember, Helene came from the Gulf, and they had days of flooding rains before Helene ever arrived. It's a different setup there because the stalled front in that boundary is closer to eastern North Carolina, so that's the area where we could see closer to 3 to 5 inches, central and eastern North Carolina.
Okay.
The mountains, still some significant rain. Flash flooding can be dangerous, but not as widespread of a threat.
And of course, the landslides were what was so devastating for Helene. So we're still a few days out. What shifts are you going to be looking for in terms of where the systems may go?
Well, the one shift that we saw today is that the new system that should develop is probably going to move a little faster, and that would mean the Fujiwara effect, which is the dance between two systems, is a little less likely because they may end up being further apart.
Okay.
But when we zoom in on the models here, notice how today the bulk of them have a landfall in South Carolina at the beginning of next week. It's still possible that this could shift north. The European model did that this afternoon, so we'll have to watch for that.
All right, I know you'll be watching closely. Thank you so much, Kat. And